guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different, as you can tell by the title. I'm doing my BoxyCharm unboxing, and welcome to my bathroom because it has the best lighting in our house, so hope you don't mind about that. But I opened it and I kind of saw what's on top, but I don't know exactly what everything is. And I'm going to do like Kathleen Lights does and kind of like try it on as I get it to see how I like it. So I'm just gonna like get right into this. Hopefully I can get this video up today. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm gonna open the box and there's a card. It's vacation. And then the back tells you everything that's on it. I've been getting BoxyCharm for a while, probably like 6 months now, and I really like it. So I wanted to do a video on it. Oh, there's the coupon for Butter London. Get 25% off. There you go. Anyway, it's like, if you don't know what it is, which you probably do, it's like a makeup subscription box that you pay for monthly. It's $21, but I used to do like Ipsy and Birchbox, and I really like BoxyCharm better than both of those combined because the samples are full size. With like the other two, the samples are like itty bitty, and I wasn't really impressed anytime I got it. Like I was like, oh, that's it. Like I'd rather pay a little bit more and actually get stuff that I'm going to use and like be excited about. So, and I don't really buy new makeup, but I love makeup, and this is a good way to get like 5 full-size products for $21. Because usually the box is over $100 each time. I'll add it up at the end to let you know like what it is, but it's always usually over $100 worth of stuff that you're getting. So let's try it out, shall we? The first thing in here is some blush, I think. Make Them Blush by Pretty Vulgar. I've heard of this brand before. I think you can get it at Sephora or Ulta, but it's a little blush, and I really like this color. There's what it looks like on my hand. I am going to show you everything and then like try to put it on after I've gone through everything, because I don't have any of my brushes or anything in here. But the next thing in here is some Butter London mascara. A few months ago I got a mascara. It was the Tartist mascara, and that's now become my new favorite mascara. So we'll see how I like this one. It says in 200 times thicker lashes, 314% thicker or increase in lash curl. So we'll see. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's all about the wand for me. Oh my. I more like the wispy wands, like the Tartist Pro mascara. But I'm not gonna knock it yet. Let's wait and see. Next thing I'm pulling out is a South Main Gel Packs. Reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. You all know that I need this in my life. And you get 3 of them. That's pretty cool. They come like individual, and they're just little like under eye things. I'll put one on after I do this video, and then I'll like say how I think of it on the screen here as I'm editing it. So here's my opinion for you here, because don't want to do it now. Love masks. And there's 2 more things. Ooh, it looks like a makeup brush set. You get makeup brushes a lot with BoxyCharm. I think this is the 3rd time that I've got makeup brushes, and they're all really good. Like, I think the last ones I got were like crown brushes or something, and they were like face brushes, but these are like little eyeshadow brushes. Ooh, they're very soft. It says the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. There's 3 in here. So these are nice. These are the kind of brushes that I like. Like not too big and crazy and not too small, because I'm not like that fancy with it, but they're very soft and these two are like very dense, so we'll see how they go. I'll try them out. And the last thing in the box is this in plastic wrap, and it says BoxyCharm and PR Cosmetics. So what could this be? It is taped shut. Oh goodness. Let me know what kind of videos you want me to see. Like, do you want me to do makeup videos? Because I do like doing makeup. I'm not the best at it, but I can do it. Oh wow, an eyeshadow palette. You get a lot of eyeshadow palettes in BoxyCharm. I think this is like the third one that I've got. So this is pretty cool. They're like more like spring and summery colors. But I'll try to put them into a look. This blue color though, let's just see what this looks like. Oh my! That's nice. Am I brave enough to wear color this shade? Probably not. But it's cool to have, and like there's some like metallic looking ones, and they're matte. There's no like shimmery, except for these like metallic ones, if you consider that. I am a terrible swatcher. These are nice though. I'll try to do like a easy thing with it, in case you got it. But that's everything in the box. Let me tell you the prices. The eyeshadow palette, $36. Mascara retails for $20. The under eye gel packs, $10. The makeup brush set, $23.15. And the Pretty Vulgar blush was $26. So Megan in the future is going to add that up and put it right here on the screen. But I think that's a good deal. I wasn't disappointed about anything. Usually when you get a subscription box, there's always like one thing that you're just like, eh. But let me grab some makeup brushes and see if I can test this out, see what it looks like on the face. I like the swatches, so let's see. I'll be right back. So I basically only grabbed 2 brushes because I grabbed a blush brush. This is my favorite blush brush, BH Cosmetics 124, and this is my favorite eyeshadow brush, BH Cosmetics 129. I use this every day for my eyeshadow. I do have a little bit of makeup on from like this morning, like 4 o'clock this morning, but just some concealer and some bronzer, but it's probably gone. So let's test out this blush. Just gonna swirl it. Oh, there's a lot. Wow! And I have my mirror here. Let's see. Whoa, wow. That's pigmented. Too much, too much. Abort mission. I'm gonna dust some of that off and then blend it in. I like the color though. It's just, I maybe put too much on my brush. Yikes. I'm not used to like very pigmented stuff because I buy a lot of like drugstore stuff. Not saying that drugstore is bad, but there's a lot of things that aren't as pigmented as, oh, there's a lot of fallout. See that? Anyways, I like the color. Blushes never really last that long on me, ever. Any blush, so not too worried about it. Anyway, let's try a couple of these colors from the BoxyCharm and Pure collection, and I'll try out this brush here. It's the, it just says step 2. So let's see. I've been doing a lot of like pinky on my eyes lately, so I'll take this color here. This is called Naked. A lot comes on your brush. Learn my mistake. Tap that off a little. Oh, and there's a mirror here. Let's see. Maybe I shouldn't have tapped it off. Ooh, Ooh, that's pretty though. Can you see anything that I'm doing? This is why I don't do makeup videos, because I never know if you can see what I'm doing or not. Okay, let's test out another brush. I'll do this one. This step 1. It says for the money. Let's see. Let's do this pink shade right here. This is called Bay. If you've come here for a professional makeup tutorial, you have come to the wrong place. I am just an everyday girl that likes to wear makeup, but I am no professional whatsoever. Like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of this like brown color. Whoa. To like my outer crease to warm it up a bit. These are really nice. There's not like a crazy amount of shades that I would wear like on an everyday basis, but like the pops of color would be fun. Maybe I'll put one on my lower lash line just to see what it's like. There's where we are. Oh, that shade was called Duet. And then I'm going to use this other brush, this type of brush. This says number 3, Go Girl Go. And take that same brown color and put it on my lower lash line. Woo! That turned dark real quick. And take the other one and blend that in. Oh, so much for putting one of those colorfuls under my eyes. Huh? So not used to doing that. But here's how it turned out. I think it's pretty. Maybe for like a date night or something that's a little bit dark with the brown color. I really like this Charmer shade. I'm gonna see what that's like. Oh, this one's kind of glittery. Right under my brow bone. Didn't do much. Well, there it is. It's just because I was in the dark. That's pretty. It's kind of maybe not very good for a brow bone. Maybe like the center of the lid. Oh, I like that better. Not a brow bone highlight. That's a, what am I trying to say? Programmer error. You know what I'm trying to say. Does it give me 2,000 or 200% better looking lashes than my other mascara? No. It does do a pretty good job at curling them though. Like this. I'll have to add it into my rotation. I just do a little touch underneath. Anyways, let's get you into the light. Here's my quick 2-minute makeup look. I like it. The blush is very pigmented, but I do like the color. It probably would look better if I had like different face makeup on. You can't really see it in this light, but I blended it in pretty good. But the eyeshadows I really like. I pretty much do the same type of makeup look anytime I do it, like brown or pink, so hopefully this summer I'll get into like playing with more shades. See, that's what I want to do makeup tutorials for. I feel like it would help me like branch out and like play with color. Oh, there we go. Now you can see this is good lighting. And yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you guys get BoxyCharm, and if you do, how do you like it? Did you like everything that you got in your box this month? Blah, blah, blah. I just like talking to you guys. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!